Assalamu alaikum dear students, your biology teacher Madam Farzana Suhail here with first lecture of unit number 3. The name of this unit is biodiversity. Let's first see what is biodiversity. Biodiversity is defined as the variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. Biodiversity is distributed uniformly on the earth. Biologists estimated that today's global biodiversity may consist of more than 100 million kinds of organisms. The biodiversity of an area depends on climate, altitude, and composition of soil. Importance of biodiversity. Following points show importance of biodiversity. Point number 1 is food for human beings. Biodiversity provides high variety of food for human beings. Crops, livestock, forestry, and fish are important sources of food for human beings. Production of drugs. Biodiversity plays a vital role in human and animal health. A wide variety of plants, animals, and fungi are used as medicines and essential vitamins. Point number 3 is industrial benefits of biodiversity. It plays an important role in the production of industrial materials. Building materials, fibers, dyes, resins, and gums are some of the industrial materials derived from plants. Last point of importance of biodiversity is relation with ecosystem. It is the essential component of ecosystem. In an ecosystem, species show interaction among each other. Each species has a role in the ecosystem. Loss of species makes the ecosystem less productive. Classification of organisms. Classification is a method by which biologists divide organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and differences. Let's see what are the bases of classification. Biologists begin to classify organisms on the basis of physical characteristics. Some of these characteristics are as follows. Whether the cell of a living organism is prokaryotic or eukaryotic, this is point number 1. Number 2, whether the organism is unicellular or multicellular. Point number 3 is whether the living organism is an autotroph or heterotroph. Modern system of classification is not only based on the habitat and physical characteristics, but also on genetics, anatomy, physiology, and evolutionary history. Now let's see what are the aims of classification. Classification is the arrangement of organisms on the basis of certain characteristics. The aims of classifying organisms into certain groups are: number 1, to determine similarities and differences among organisms so they can be studied easily. Number 2, to provide an idea about sequence of evolution of organisms from simple to complex. Number 3, to express relationships based on common features. Last point is to name and place organisms in a proper group. After that, we are having next topic, that are principles of classification. Biologists follow certain principles for classification. A few of the principles are: organisms are classified in one group on the basis of apparent similarities among them. Number 2, organisms are classified in one group or in closer groups if they have more homologous structures. Point number 3 is the anatomical features and evolutionary history is also considered during classification. Here we are having a slide in which we are having hierarchy of taxonomy. The living organisms are classified according to this hierarchy. We are going to start this hierarchy from smallest unit. We will end at the largest unit. Smallest unit, unit number 1 is species. It is the basic and smallest unit of classification. Number 2 level is genus. It is a group of species that are similar in some characteristics. After that, at level 3 we are having family. Closely related genera are grouped into a family. Order: closely related families are grouped into order. Then we are having class. Closely related orders are grouped into class. Phylum: classes are grouped into phylum. At the end we are having kingdom. Phylum are grouped into kingdom. It is the largest unit of classification. Species is the smallest and kingdom is the largest unit of classification. Here we are having taxonomic hierarchy of panther. On the right side we can see the units of classification: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Now on the other side we are having the classification of panther. Kingdom of panther is Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora. As panther is carnivorous animal, so its order is Carnivora. Family Felidae, genus Panthera, and species of the panther is Panthera pardus. Now dear students, we are going to move towards the question answer session. Here we are having two questions. Question number 1 is, what are the aims of classification? In the previous slides, we studied about some of the aims of classification. You are going to remind those aims and then you will answer the question, what are the aims of classification? Question number 2 is, describe units of classification from smallest to largest in sequence. Thank you dear students for being here with me. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.